Welcome to section 2.3, solve an equation using both principles. So what I mean by using both principles, we're going to be using the addition principle and the multiplication principle when solving for our unknown variable. In our first example, we have 5x minus 6 equals 4. So our first step is to use the addition principle. So we're going to cancel out the minus 6 by adding 6 to both sides. So plus 6 on the left, plus 6 on the right. 5x equals 10. Now next is the multiplication principle. So we have 5. The reciprocal of 5 will be 1/5. So I'm going to multiply the left side by 1/5 and the right side by 1/5. And remember, if it's a whole number, just multiply it to the numerator. So it's going to be 5x equals 5. We equal 10 over 5. I can simplify this. 5x divided by 5 will be 1x equal to 2, or just simply x equals to 2. So that's basically what it means by using both principles. First, I use the addition principle, and then I use the multiplication principle. So I was able to get 1x equals to 2, or simply x equals to 2. That's it. Example 2, we have negative 3x minus 11 equals to 1. So again, I'm going to apply the addition principle. I'm going to add 11 because I want to cancel out the minus 11. So it's going to be negative 3x equals to 12. Alright, from there I'm going to apply the multiplication principle. I want to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this, so the reciprocal will be negative 1/3. Now the reason I'm multiplying by a negative is because originally it started off as negative. So if it's negative, then multiply by a negative. I'm going to do it to both sides. Now essentially it's just the same thing as what we did before, just a different form of it. So here we're going to have negative 3x over 3, negative 3, and then negative 12 over 3. So that's all I did. Negative 3x divided by negative 3 will be positive 1x, equal to negative 12 divided by 3 will be negative 4. Simply x equals to negative 4. So just to remind you, if you start off with negative, make sure to multiply with negative. And again, basically it's just a different form, but same thing as what we have been doing before in Algebra 1 and Geometry Algebra 2. So my final answer is 1x equals negative 4, or x equals to 4. Example 3, we have 2x minus 15 equals negative 21. Alright, I'm applying the addition principle. I'm going to add 15 on the left side and on the right side. 2x equals to negative 21 plus 15 will be negative 6. From there, I'm going to apply the multiplication principle. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2, which is positive 1/2. So here it will be 2x over 2 equal negative 6 over 2. 2x divided by 2 will be 1x equal to negative 6 divided by 2, which will be negative 3, or x equals to negative 3. So our final answer is 1x equals negative 3, or x equals to negative 3.